video today, I'll be sharing with you 5 side hustles that students can start as a beginner with no investment. So we know that students are always looking out for how to make money online without capital or investment. And I've got you guys. This video I'm sharing 5 different ways that you can actually make money as a student without any investment or capital whatsoever. With that being said, if this looks like the type of video that you like, please do want to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video. So guys, this is Kemi of Self Hustle, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you as usual. So with that being said guys, let's head straight into the video. This particular website I'll be sharing with you can actually pay you up to like $2,000 just by doing 1 or 2 of these jobs. The number 5 on the list here is app referrals. So if you're the type that maybe you have a skill in video editing, or you have something somewhat, or you have 1 or 2 persons that are interested in buying 1 or 2 things online, you can look out for the website, maybe a web hosting. You understand? Maybe a web hosting site or something like that. You can sign up as an affiliate and be sending your referral link to them. So whenever they buy the item, you get a commission. You understand? And if you don't even want to do that, you can get website that when you send to people that you know that people need on a daily basis, and when you send to people, they do what? When they buy any item on the website, you actually get a commission from their purchase. The number 4, and one of my favorites on this list, is print on demand. Now, you don't know how lucrative print on demand is until you start making sales. Yes, print on demand is free to sign up on, and you do not even need any investment. Print on demand is a type of business where you go on different websites to make designs on mugs, cups, jugs, t-shirts, cap, socks, hoodie. You just make different designs and you leave it there. You don't need to market it, because the website you'll be signing up on, or the website I'll be telling you that you can sign up on, actually accept Africans and they accept Nigerians. The website is a marketplace itself. So all you need to do is make sure that your designs are beautiful. Make sure that your design are trying to pass a message. Make sure that your design talks a lot about emotions or society or something like that, or even relationship. You understand? So the website that you can use for print on demand is called Teespring. Now a lot of you will say yes, but there are other websites that like Amazon and all of that. No problem, you can go on another website and sign up. But I on this end, or on my end, I can actually vouch for Teespring as a website that is reliable. Your payment is fast. You have the mindset to design and do all of those things. Why wait or delay your salary or your money? So that's why I'm recommending Teespring. On Teespring, you can easily design on whatever you want to design on. At least it's called freelancing. Now freelancing is you rendering services that people will pay for. Now a lot of you do not know, but before you can be a freelancer, you have to have a skill. Some of you are graphic designers, some of you are video editors, but you don't even know how to market this skills. You don't even know that you can use this skill to make money. Well, you can, and the website you can use is actually Upwork, Fiverr, and any other freelancer website, maybe like freelancer.com or guru.com. You can sign up on those websites if you have maybe a graphic designing skill or a video editing skill. These are skills that are hot cake. When I mean hot cake, and also if you can also create a website, these are skills that they do not go old fashioned. And if you do not have a skill, no problem, you can go on canva.com, create designs, use their templates to rearrange those designs and everything. Just play around with your phone, with your keyboard on canva.com. Canva is a free app where you just have to sign up on and start designing for free. With that being said guys, the number 2 on this our list is user testing. Now user testing is not actually common amongst Nigerians, but there are Nigerians that are actually doing it. And user testing type of job is this type of job that anybody anywhere can actually do. There are Nigerians that are actually doing it. And user testing type of job is this type of job that anybody anywhere can actually do. All you just have to do is to drop your review, drop what you feel about a particular website or a particular account. So on user testing, what happens is the fact that companies, when they create website, they need people to drop their honest review about how the website works, the glitches and all those things on the website, bugs and all of you. How fast is the website? How this can you easily buy products? Can you add to cart and all those things? Now they need individuals like you and I to sign up on websites where they go and list it out, and people will record their screen. You'll be explaining to them what you feel about this particular website that they've created, if it's easy going, if you can easily add an item to cart, if you can easily do this. That is your job as a user tester. Now for user testing, you can actually go on Userfew or userinterviews.com, userfew.com or userinterviews.com to actually sign up and become a user tester. Now the last but not the least on this our list is transcription. Now I love transcription so much because transcription jobs are jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home. Yes, you don't need to go out, you don't need to visit places before you can do transcription job. Transcription is just simply you transcribing an audio file into a text. You understand? It's just like a secretary job where you write minutes of what people are actually saying in the meeting. You understand? So if you are good with writing minutes, writing and all of those things, you can sign up and start working as a transcriptionist, because all you need is maybe an earpiece or an AirPod and the website that you can easily sign up on and start working as a transcriptionist on that particular website. Now, and please this website will pay you per audio minute. Per audio minute means that whether you spend 2 days on the particular audio that was actually sent to you, you will not be paid for the 2 days, but rather if the audio is 4 minutes, you'll be paid for 4 minutes. So let's now assume that a minute is like $10 or $5 per minute. So you'll be paid $5 times 4 minutes. If the total audio is 4 minutes, you'll be paid $5 times 4, which is $20 for a particular audio. So whether you now spend 2 days or 5 days on that audio is left to you, but they will actually pay you per audio minute of whatever you do. Now the website that I will be recommending, although they have strict guidelines, but then again, if you are lucky to sign up on this particular website called rev.com, you will get paid every week. So maybe when I was on rev.com, I think I have earned maybe like $30, $20 weekly, and at the end of the month your money will be able to accumulate to up to like $100 or $150, depending on maybe you are a newbie or you are an experienced transcriptionist or something like that, or you are into captioning or something like that. Just go on rev.com, and rev.com accept people from anywhere you are in the world, whether you are in Nigeria, you are from Togo, you are from India, from China, from South Africa, anywhere you are in the world. Go on rev.com and sign up and become a transcriptionist. Now if you are a student, these 5 websites, these 5 side hustles that I have listed, you might not be able to do everything, but at least you'll be able to pick 1 or 2 and start focusing on it. And also, please do not decide to go into everything at once, because it is not advisable to go into everything at once. You can just pick one, focus on it, build yourself on it, and you start making money online. With that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.